Okay, so what have we done so far? We have created beautiful panoramic windows, a roof terrace with a 1 kilowatt solar system, the biggest gas tank you have ever seen, the best electric system for your camper van, and in this week's video we will show you our substructure and tips and tricks about how to put in Armaflex.
Let's do this. Let's see if I can finish it in one day. With those things in the ground, I'm ready to finally insulate the van. Finally. Okay, let's do this. I need a frame for the floor. We will put 19mm Armaflex everywhere. So yeah, let's see how that turns out. I hope it's even.
By the way, Niko realized at the end that it is way better to cut the other way round, like with the bottom up.
I forgot something. The insulation will end here. I have to cut this one because our bed will exactly end here as well, because our car is not tall enough for me. I need that space for my feet while I'm sleeping.
Niko is putting these stripes on top so that you won't hear any squeaking sound when walking on the ground later on. And also to get the car as steam tight or vapor proof as possible. You also covered the holes in the ground of the car when removing the floor and only secured it later with the substructure. You will see that later in the video.
I'm done for this week and exhausted. That was quite a lot of work, and I'm slow, as you know. Thanks to my friend who gave me this. Yeah, and on the edges I made it like this, as you see. We're here. Woo. Have a nice weekend, or a nice day, or a nice night, or a nice morning, or a nice life. See you guys. Laundry is ready. My father and my friend helped me to get this floor in again. It fits, it's not perfect. Yeah, but it fits. See, there is a little bit space. Anyway, I will put another layer on top on this, and then at the end you will see, don't see it anymore.
Niko says this tool is an absolute must-have. There are always situations where you just can't use a counter nut. That's where rivet nuts, also known as blind nuts, are a game changer. So this rivet nut tool costs only 25 euros. You'll find the link in the description.
Another hand would be handy. Let's see what I did. Hey? Yeah. Looks a bit messy, I know. I need to clean up, I guess. I forgot to put insulation here, and that can get quite hard to get it in there, but I have a trick. And I need my second hand. Oh, it's a little bit too big. Shit. Okay, I already insulated the floor and some parts on this side, and now I'm gonna finish it. There's already the wood construction almost everywhere, so yeah, I'm good to go. Let's do this. Let's see if I can finish it in one day. I found a new place. New workspace for myself. nice. It's dry and in the shadow. Perfect. I just had a little side mission to cut the frame of the window because I want to cover it with wood, and now it's easier. Well, I just ended up in another side mission. I will make it beautiful again, I promise. Much better, much bigger. Shit. That was probably not the best way. Let's see if I can save it. No. I managed to save it. It's probably better to start down here, but I wanted to have like a nice line here, so yeah, you die one death. Gonna fill that anyway.
Okay, so here you can see the trick again that Niko showed in the beginning at the roof. Don't throw away the plastic stuff, because the trick how to get the Armaflex perfectly into the edges is to use the plastic sheet like Niko does in this video. And if you have any questions about that, let us know in the comments.
here there will come an overhead cabinet the whole length, but with 2 different depths to make a nicer look, and there will be an overhead cabinet as well. And here's gonna come a cupboard until here, so a really big one. That's why I tried to get it a little bit even here. Yeah, and now I have finally a free weekend after 11 days. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in 2 weeks.